1. Hook. Imagine being able to design cloud systems that scale seamlessly, cost less, and are resilient to failure. 2. The real problem many beginners and startup engineers struggle with: cloud architecture. They focus on individual services instead of the big picture. Understanding the cloud ecosystem is crucial. You need to think strategically, not just technically. 3. The simple explanation: thinking like a cloud architect means adopting a mindset focused on design, efficiency, and scalability. Here's what you should keep in mind: understand requirements, know what your application needs. Establish a solid foundation, start with the right architecture. Design for scalability, plan for growth from day one. Consider security, build security into your architecture. Embrace automation, use tools to streamline processes. These principles guide you in making informed decisions when building cloud systems. 4. Real-world example. Let's take a look at a startup that scaled quickly, let's call it Foodie App. Connecting local restaurants with customers. Initially, they used a single AWS EC2 instance to host their application. The instance had 2 VPS and 8 GB of RAM. In the beginning, this worked fine as they averaged 100 users daily. As their marketing campaign ramped up, their user base exploded to 10,000 users within a month. The single instance couldn't handle the load. They faced frequent crashes, slow response times, and customer complaints. In the end, they spent an extra $10,000 fixing performance issues and implementing a proper architecture. If they had designed for scale from the start, using AWS auto-scaling and elastic load balancing, they could have seamlessly handled increased traffic without a hitch. 5. What to do instead to think like a cloud architect. Follow this actionable framework. 1. Define user requirements, gather business needs and user expectations. If you expect 10,000 users, design for 20% more capacity. 2. Choose the right cloud provider: AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Consider costs, features, and support. 3. Architect for scalability: use microservices instead of monolithic applications. Implement load balancers to distribute traffic. 4. Incorporate security measures: use IAM roles to control access. Store sensitive data in encrypted databases. 5. Implement monitoring and automation: use tools like CloudWatch or Azure Monitor. Set up alerts for unusual patterns. 6. Plan for disaster recovery: create backup strategies. Use multi-region deployments to ensure availability. 6. Common mistakes. 1. Ignoring scalability: building a solution that only fits current needs. Always design for 2x your anticipated load. 2. Neglecting security: assuming security is an afterthought. Integrate security practices from the start. Use tools like AWS Shield. 3. Underestimating costs, not tracking cloud spending. Set budget alerts and analyze cost reports monthly. 4. Lack of documentation: failing to document architecture decisions. Create a centralized wiki for documentation. 5. Avoiding automation: relying too much on manual processes. Implement infrastructure as code using tools like Terraform or CloudFormation. 7. Quick checklist: define user requirements and expectations. Choose the right cloud provider based on needs. Implement auto-scaling and load balancing. IAM, encryption. Set up alerts and logging. Backups and multi-region strategies. Architecture, decisions, and processes. 8. Summary plus CTA: thinking like a cloud architect requires a shift in mindset. Focus on user needs, design for scalability, and build security into your systems. Avoid common mistakes by planning ahead and documenting your processes. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical cloud engineering tips. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.